Welcome to Cook with Ms. Zhang. Today we're cooking one of the ultimate comfort food classics, chicken fried rice. It's quick, it's satisfying, and it's perfect for using up leftovers. Just look at that golden rice, tender chicken, fluffy eggs, and the beautiful aroma of garlic and green onion. This dish hits all the right notes. Let's prep the chicken first. First, let's slice the chicken breast into small strips. Then cut the strips to bite sizes, not too thick. You want them to cook quickly and stay juicy. Now marinate the chicken. Marinate chicken for flavor and tenderness. This also helps for better browning and crispiness. Season lightly with Shaoxing cooking wine. Soy sauce, dark soy sauce. A pinch of salt, ground white pepper. Cornstarch to keep the meat tender. Give the ingredients a good mix to evenly coat the chicken for consistent flavor. Set it aside while we minced our few cloves of garlic. Then 2 stalks of green onion. Now heat up a large nonstick pan or wok over medium-high heat. Add a tablespoon of oil, and once it's hot, add your chicken in a single layer. Let it sear for a minute before stirring. We want a nice golden color on the outside. Stir fry for about 3 to 4 minutes until fully cooked through. Then remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside. Add just a bit more oil if the pan is dry. Now crack in 3 eggs. Scramble them gently right in the pan. Don't overcook just until they're soft and fluffy. Once they're just set, add your 2 bowls of cold, day-old rice right into the pan. Use the back of your spatula to break up any clumps. The rice should be cold and dry. That's what gives you that signature fried rice texture. Stir rice together with the eggs. Once the rice is heated through and slightly golden, now push the rice to the side of the hot pan. Add a bit of oil, then toss in the minced garlic. Here is the key. Add a tablespoon of salted butter to make a super tasty butter garlic sauce. Then add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Let everything melt into the sauce. Then add in our cooked chicken bites. Let the chicken sink into the sauce for 20 to 30 seconds to ensure the chicken is fully fragrant. Then, final toss. Give everything a good mix, making sure the chicken is evenly distributed. You can smell the rich, savory aroma of soy sauce, garlic as the golden brown grains and tender chicken pieces tumble together. Now toss in the green part of your green onions. These add a fresh bite and a pop of color at the end. Turn off the stove and let the remaining heat in the rice cook the green onion. At this point, everything should be hot, well seasoned, and absolutely mouth-watering. And just like that, your chicken fried rice is done. It's got tender bites of chicken, soft scrambled eggs, perfectly seasoned rice, and that classic takeout flavor, but made fresh at home. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!